Hello friends, welcome back to my famous YouTube channel to watch more videos on machine learning. Up till now, we have gone through many videos on machine learning, such as our latest video was detecting gender from image using Python, then detecting drowsiness using Python, hand tracking using Python, facial emotion recognition using Python using webcam, and many more videos on machine learning. Today's video is really innovative. For that, let us go through the Python file. All these statements are the required libraries which needs to be imported for the program. The next statement, dwnld underscore link, it is used for download the pre-trained model. The next statement, model is equal to load underscore model, it is used for loading the model. Then starting the webcam, then if not webcam started, then this statement will fire. The next statement, classes man and woman, while loop in the sense look through the frames. Then status, read the frame from webcam. Then next statement, face confidence, apply face detection, then print face and print confidence. Then for loop for frame rectangle. The next statement, start x start y, it is used for draw rectangle over the faces. Then cv2 dot rectangle frame, then face crop, it is equal to np dot copy bracket frame crop detected face region. The next statement, this part is of rectangle. The next statement, face crop, it is used for pre-processing the gender detection. The next statement, conf is equal to model dot predict, it is used for apply gender detection on face. Then print confidence and print then label, and at the last print display the text on the webcam, put text, then display the output gender detection, then press Q to exit the while loop, then close all resources webcam after saving and close all window. Now I will execute the program. Yes, now yes, yes, webcam is started. Yes, it is detecting man 100%. Yes, 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 I successfully done with detecting gender using webcam using Python. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.